to us, we feel that they are very concerned with whatever is happening in Manipur, but due to the so much complication, they are not able to take a decision, and I think they need to have a lot of talk with a lot of people. But at present, what we discussed was on deferment of census and how to go about the process of finding out original Indian citizen. There are certain things which has been in the parliament also. The Honorable MP for Manipur has raised some questions, has written letter where he has received response from the ministry that the 2025 Foreigners and Immigration Act has the right to, given the right to the state to, identify, detect and deport. But to the Manipur issue, the 2025 Foreigners and Immigration Act is not substantial or it's not accurate for us. Since we are demanding the identification of original Indian citizens from a base year, the 2025 Foreigners Immigration Act will only identify those are listed who have come through a proper channel, who are immigrants, who are settled in India, and who have records of from coming from a different country where maybe he has come through an asylum or maybe he has come for some problem. They can be pushed back because there is a record. But we are talking of people who have entered into the country from the porous border, joined the Indian Constitution through some documents, bought land, procured a PAN card. Maybe they have got a government job also. Maybe they got married with our local people also. Now, why we are particularly very concerned is because another reason, the Kukizo Council and Mr. Paulenlal Hokip, who is the MLA of Saikwet constituency, they are particularly very much opposed to the, they even said that to respect the government of India, let us go for census first and do NRC, which means that they want to get the citizens which we are objecting listed in the census. Now, we won't call them immigrants, but even then also, we know that there are various people with same surname, same tribe, same religion. For instance, I am Santa Nahakpam. One Nahakpam is so many Nahakpams are still in Myanmar. If they come to Manipur and I identify them as my brother or sister through Mizoram, Nagaland or some other area, maybe they can get an Indian citizenship. But when you look at the proper legacy data, for instance, Mr. Paulenlal was at a time not listed in the voter list of the Indian government. In the constitution didn't allow him. How did he enter? We don't want to question him too much, but there are certain things which need to come through a proper channel and proper document. That is why we also appeal the Kukizo Council to come up on a table. Let us discuss the matter. And I cannot say if I write a letter to Kukizo Council that come, let's discuss. They may not agree. But if the government of India arranges a table for talks with stakeholders from Valley, Hills, Nagas and Kukis, it may come up to a solution. That is for the government of India to decide.